Hello, welcome back to my channel. I like to introduce you my brand new paper collection, Crystal Bliss. Stay tuned. Hello, welcome back guys. I like to introduce you my new paper collection, Crystal Bliss. This this color combination was planned for a very long time. But it's out of my comfort zone. I like pastel, I like brown, I like coziness. And this is not. But I'm going to introduce you my Crystal Bliss collection. And it's bright, it's black, it's white, it's fun, it's everything. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so the cover as usual will show you everything what's for the color combination and everything, but I also like to add some images that you can cut out, like this purple butterfly, this black white, this pink butterfly, this beautiful portrait lady. I do love that. Also with a cover I always added a background, and a background that you can use for everything that fits. So this is a nice black background with white little dots. So easy to use with everything. So that is the front and back for the cover. Then we have a cut apart page with 4 nice big tags, and I do love all the color combinations. It's so bright. We have a nice little bird with flowers. We have the black and white coming back. This cozy little watch with the butterfly with all the flowers, and this nice purple feather. And I do love the black and white square little strip. I absolutely adore it. So cute. And then I created some words, and I had no idea what kind of theme that these colors would shout out, so I just have it randomly. So I have create your own sunshine, little moments, don't quit your daydream, embrace the chaos, that's definitely this one, follow your heart, do what you love, inspiration. Well, those quotes are definitely my character, absolutely. The back of this one is a nice, oh, I forgot how you call this shape, but I absolutely forgot. But it's a nice dark purple background with the white, oh, I have no idea how it calls. And then, yeah, this is the back. Then we have a black and white. I absolutely adore this page. I do love black and white, especially with white color. So, oh, amazing. And this is also Prove Them Wrong. And what's Start Today. What's this one? I have to be your own sunshine. Be stronger than the storm. You matter. Well, there are all kind of, I'm a limited edition. And then with the black and white flowers and butterflies, there were also butterflies, and I absolutely love this one. And then we have a nice dark purple design with some funny design. Love it. Then this one, oh my gosh, I absolutely love this one. This was upside down. Look at this little blue butterfly. Absolutely, and a purple flower. And then with all the funkiness around it. With the black and white. Love this one. And then the black, yeah, this is also one of my favorite ones with the little purple flowers. Easy to use, so cool. Then we have the black and white stripe diagonally. Love it, easy to use. You can cut nice little strips of this to create some quiet touch with all the bright colors. And then we have this beautiful blue one with just a simple design, just to give it some extra touch. Then we have another cut apart page with some tags. This one says, stronger than the storm, anything is possible, start today, I'm not perfect. I do love this lady portrait here and there together with the butterfly. Absolutely love it. This one says, smiling, journey, happiness, find joy, fearless, sparkle, sparkle double. Okay, moments, just a little mistake, but oh, we can sparkle as many as we want. And then we have shine like the star you are, and stop dreaming, start doing. And then we have find joy in the simple things and do more of what makes you happy. So yeah, these are absolutely inspirational, joyful, just yeah, with all the swirls and happiness. This just screams happiness in my opinion. And then we have the black, well, not the black and white, the blue and white square little dots. Love these. Absolutely stunning. Easy but very usable. And then of course this one, the lace, the black lace together with the blue. Love this combination. And then the black is the same blue, but then it has some white design. Easy to be used, this way, very easy. Then we have another cut apart page with smaller tags. I love this one. It's just screaming with fun, happiness, sunshine in your heart, well, all those kind of things. I love the edges with these little ones, and then the purple, and then this butterfly. Then we have some cards. Could not resist to add these. And then another beautiful lady, and then this image comes back, and then with all the funkiness in it, and this sunshine, smiling, destination, memories, exploring, and you and me in black and white. The back is a nice bright pink with white dots. Ah, amazing. Love it, love it, love it. This one is a very, very funky page with all the funky swirls and the little tiny dots here and there. Yeah, you can go out. Wait just a second. And then I got a phone call. Alright, life is always around me. Alright, so I really like this funky page. Absolutely love it. And then the back, yeah, nice bright pink with a nice design on the back. Same as the blue one. Love it, love it. This is absolutely one of my favorite pages, the black and white flower page. Easy to be used, this direction, this direction. I love it. It's almost like a pencil drawing. Love it. Easy to be used with the bright colors. And on the back we have again a nice pink one, but then again with the white design at the front. So it makes it lighter pink. Love it. This is my absolute favorite page. God, it's so funky. It's so happiness, sunshine, fantasy, nice colors, you name it, and I love it. It's almost like firework, doesn't it? Pew, pew, pew. Yeah, and it's almost New Year's Eve, so yeah, I absolutely love this one. Love it. Love, love, love it. And as you can see, all the colors are inspirational for this page. The purple comes back, the blue comes back, the pink comes back, the black comes back. Yes, cool. Love it. And then we have the yellow one. I could not resist adding yellow to this collection because, yeah, this one also has yellow. So it definitely needs the yellow. So the yellow one with the white design in the front comes back, and the black lace page always fits amazing with the yellow one. And of course we also have a stripe, but then straight, and then in yellow and white to bring back the soft yellow one. Then this page, oh, this is one of my favorite ones. the cardboard page, but then in black and white. Amazing. I love it. I love it. Find joy in the simple things. Find beauty everywhere till the moon and back. This one is beautiful soul. This one is beautiful moments. But then I really like this white lady. Oh, it's so adorable. And also these, you make little stamps of these. Well, they are not too little, but and then these frames and with the bird and the bird. Oh, I just all love them so much. It's so much. Be kind, be brave, be bold, be beautiful, be worthy. Yes, and life begins at the end of your comfort zone. Begins. Yeah. That's so true. I love it. Love it. Okay, and then the back, we have the black and white square pieces. Love it. So cool. So guys, I hope you like my introduction of my Crystal Bliss collection. And of course, we have a big pack as always. 78 sheets in total. So you have 6 sheets each, 12 double-sided. So all this yummy, we can start with a new project. Yes! Want to see what I'm going to make with that? Stay tuned and watch my tutorials. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.